All right, a very good morning, everybody. Yesterday we had begun with a fresh chapter that was Bond of Love. All right, children. So, what was the chapter about? The chapter was about the emotional bonding, emotional attachment between author's wife and the little pet named Bruno. Okay, he was a baby bear. Okay, so what had happened? Accidentally he ate the poison which the author had spread for that rats. Okay, and now due to that poison his whole body is uncomfortable, he is vomiting, he is not well, his body is paralyzed. Okay, so here we had left the chapter. Let's continue. A dash back to the car, Bruno still floundering about on his stump. Floundering means he was struggling to move. Okay, he wanted to move. He did all the efforts, but he was failed. But clearly weakening rapidly. Some vomiting, heavy breathing with heavy flanks and gaping mouth. मतलब सांस नहीं आ रही थी. This is gaping mouth. We are unable to take our breaths properly. Okay. Hold him, everybody. It goes the hypodermic. So, hypodermic is a long needle used to give an injection under the skin. Okay. We all know what an injection is. There is of course a needle put, and that whatever is there in that needle through the syringe, it comes, the liquid is inside our body. Okay. So same way. Bruno squeals. Squeals means shouted. 10 cc of antidote enters his system. Antidote, that liquid medicine known as antidote, enters his system without a drop being wasted. 10 minutes later, condition unchanged. Another 10 cc injected. 10 minutes later, breathing less stertors. Stertors is noisily breathing, as if snoring. Breathing very, very loudly. Bruno can move his arms and legs a little, although he cannot stand. Okay, he was doing all the efforts. He was doing all the efforts to move, but his legs were not unable to move, although he did lots and lots of efforts. Okay, he cannot stand yet. 30 minutes later, Bruno gets up and has a great feat. He looks at the disdainfully, as much as to say, "What's barium carbonate to a big bear like me?" Bruno is still eating. Okay, so what they saw that he saw that food and he started to eat that food, started to feed himself, showing us or telling us that how does the poison matter? I am a black bear. How will the poison affect me? It did not affected me. It seemed that he is trying to say that. Another time he found nearly 1 gallon of old engine oil which I had drained from the sump. Gallon is just basically, children, like liter, kilometers, gallon. Okay, gallon is also a quantity of measurement. Okay, so gallon of, now he is telling another situation in which he had to face. What was that? First one, having the poison, and the second one was gallon of old engine oil which I had drained from the sump of the Studebaker and was keeping as a weapon against inroads of termites. He promptly drank it, but it had no ill effect whatever. Termites are, children, Deemak, you can say. Okay, what the author had done, he had put some old engine oil so that those termites don't spoil their furniture or anything. So what this pet did, the black bear Bruno, he drank all of them. Okay, promptly means very quickly, but it had no ill effects. Okay, but thankfully, fortunately, it had no ill effects. The mouths rolled on, and Bruno had grown many times the size he was when he came. Now the times went by, months passed, and the size of that bear increased. Okay, Bruno was now big enough. He had equaled the Astasians in height and had even outgrown them. Okay, so he says that he had gained the height of that dogs. which they had, okay, outgrown them means he became much taller than him, much bigger than them, but was just as sweet, just as mischievous, just as playful, okay. But what was the characteristic of this bear? He was very sweet. Mischievous means doing the naughty things. Kids are generally mischievous. And just as playful. And he was very fond of us all. Above all, he loved my wife and she loved him too. Okay, so children, he created a sense of happiness, joy, delightful atmosphere in the house. Okay, he loved everybody loved him, but the most important bond which was shared by his wife, that was inseparable. Okay, both of them loved each other immensely, very much. She has changed his name from Bruno to Baba, a Hindustani word signifying small boy. And he could do a few tricks too. At the command Baba wrestle or Baba box. Just as children, we teach our pet dogs like do shake hand or sit down or stand up, the same way his wife taught him some things, sometimes to wrestle, sometimes to box. He vigorously tackled anyone. Vigorously means very efficiently, with full vigor, with full strength. Who came forward for a rough and tumble. Give him a stick and say, Baba, hold gun. And he pointed the stick at you. Okay, that meant he used to understand all the things slowly and steadily. He understood all the words which they spoke. Okay. Baba was the baby and he immediately produced and cradled affectionately a stump of wood which he had carefully concealed in his straw bed. Okay, so when they asked where is the baby, he immediately produced, and cradled means cradling is basically a hug. Okay, very affectionately, very lovingly he used to bring that wood, stump of wood, you can say wood, branches of wood. But because of the tenant's children, poor Bruno or Baba had to be chained most of the time. Okay, now the children, kids usually they are scared of such kind of animals. Okay, so he used to be chained. Then my son and I advised my wife, and friends advised her too, to give Baba to the zoo at Mysore. Okay, children, bear is not one kind of animal which can be tamed or which can be kept at home. It is not a pet animal. Okay, so what author and his son told his wife that you can now give Baba to the zoo. Okay, you can now give them to the zoo people at Mysore, because when he was small then he had brought them, but now his size became very huge. Okay, so it was becoming a little difficult for them to keep him as a pet. Okay, he was getting too big to keep her at home. After some weeks of such advice, she at last consented. Consented means agreed. Hastily, and before she could change her mind, a letter was written to the curator of the zoo, means in charge of the zoo. So she agreed slowly and steadily, and as soon as she agreed, author had written the letter to the person in charge of the zoo so that she does not changes her mind. Did he want a tame bear for his collection? He replied yes. Tamed means all instructed bear. Okay, he was not a jungly bear, he was a tamed bear, means he knew the basic etiquettes, the basic manners. Okay, the zoo sent a cage from Mysore in a lorry, a distance of 7 miles, and Baba was packed off. We all missed him greatly, but in sense we were relieved. Okay, relaxed. My wife was insolable. She wept and fretted. Okay, she could not take this distance of bear, and she kept on crying. She was very sad. Okay. Fretting as in very unhappy, very uncomfortable, worried, not feeling relaxed. Okay. For the first few days, she would not eat a thing. Then she wrote a number of letters to the curator. How is Baba? Back came replies. Well, but fretting, he refuses food too. Okay, now same was the children, same was the condition with this bear, with Baba bear. Okay, same was the condition with the wife. She also was not eating anything, always feeling worried about him, and always crying, not willing to eat anything. When we are children, when we are tensed, or we think our mind is somewhere else, that then we like nothing around. Okay, then we don't like food, don't like people, don't like to talk to anyone. We just keep thinking about that problem of ours. Okay, so same thing was happening with Baba in the zoo. Okay. After that, friends visiting Mysore were begged to make a point of going to the zoo and seeing how Baba was getting along. They reported that he was well, but he looked very thin and sad. All the keepers at the zoo said he was fretting. Okay. Okay, now what they had decided, they had decided that whoever of their friends, author's friend, his wife's friends, will go to Mysore, will purposely visit that zoo and see how Baba is, and then tell the wife that how is he. Then she would be feel satisfied. So they also told that he became very thin, he was always sad, he refused to eat anything, fretting. For 3 months, I managed to restrain my wife from visiting Mysore. Then she said one day, I must see Baba. Either you take me by car or I'll go myself by bus or train. So I took her by car. So at the end, after 3 months, she really couldn't live without him. So she decided that she's going to meet him. She asked her husband that if he's willing to go, he can go. Otherwise, she'll manage alone. Then at last, both of them went by car. Friends has conjectured that the bear would not recognize her. They had made an opinion, they had thought that she is going, but the bear is not going to recognize her. I had thought so too, but while she was yet some yards from his cage, Baba saw her and recognized her. He howled with happiness. Okay, he was so happy, he started shouting. Children, what beautiful situation this must be. I'm really liking this chapter a lot. A very beautiful view it must be. She ran up to him, petted him through the bars, and she stood on his head in delight. Okay, she patted her. Okay, patted her means put her hand on his head. She loved her. Okay, in happiness. She was also happy and he was also extremely happy. Okay, for the next 3 hours, she would not leave that cage. She gave him tea, lemonade, cakes, ice creams, and whatnot. Then closing time came and we had to leave. Okay, now like she did before, she used to give him everything to eat, to drink. Okay, all right. My wife cried bitterly. मतलब बहुत फूट के रोना, very very much. Baba cried bitterly. Even the hardened curator and the keepers felt depressed. As for me, I had reconciled myself to what I knew was going to happen. Okay, everybody was feeling very sad on this separation. Okay, author also had said that I don't know what's going to happen next. How will I take care of my wife? Okay, so children, give it a reading and do the exercise.